way. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me.
Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside.
All right guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a little cleaning up in the kitchen, also followed by some fall decorating. I am excited. This is probably the best time for most of us. So I have a lot of rooms that I am going to decorate. So last year I was kind of behind on a lot of things. I'm not going to do that this year. So I am starting now, even though it's not officially fall yet for a week or two. I am very excited to go ahead and start decorating because I'm ready for a new look anyway. I am going to put a couple of new items out. I did buy a couple of new things. I didn't buy a lot because I already have a lot of fall stuff. I just kind of mix and match some things. Of course, I'm going to use browns and beiges and just neutral colors. If you guys know me and have watched some of my past videos, that's just how I am. I'm just not a person that loves all the bright oranges and everything. Not to say that's gonna be the same for the future, but as of right now, I just love neutral colors and a neutral palette. But before all that, I do have to clean this kitchen up.
Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside.
I don't know about you guys, but I love to sit and watch fall videos. The whole season, fall, Christmas, just all the seasons that are about to come up. I love to sit and just binge watch on YouTube. So I am so excited to see what everybody else is putting out. I am going to enjoy every bit of this season just because I know everybody is going through a lot. And just that stuff that's going on in the world. So just watching fall decorating, clean with me, those kind of things just make me happy. And just kind of takes my mind off of what's going on in this crazy world that we're living in.
And you, but I shut it down. So you took it down. And I'm not surprised by what.
So you guys, I got some of that awesome spray from Amazon, and I think somebody mentioned that it was at the Dollar Tree. I haven't looked, but I bought it off of Amazon. Oh my gosh, that spray gets out stains like you wouldn't believe. There was a juice stain that was on the carpet upstairs in the loft area, and I sprayed that awesome spray on it, and it totally took the stain away. And then Chloe had wrote on the door with a crayon. Don't ask me why, but that got that off with that spray. I love that stuff. It is strong. I probably need to dilute it a little bit more, so I'm going to do that because I don't know about you guys, but it is really strong and it's already diluted for me. So I'll just dilute it some more. But it does work, I can tell you that much. I've seen people on YouTube using this stuff and getting stains off their couches and all that stuff. So I did try it and it does work. And of course, you guys know I'm gonna stick with my Myers, my honeysuckle. I love that scent. I buy that in their dish soap because I also use their dish soap, and I buy that in the spray. I have not tried their candles. I guess I'll go ahead and try their candles. I've never tried that. And the Myers candles. You guys, lately I have been having so much stuff on this fridge because Chloe is just learning so much, so I'm trying to keep things in front of her. She is now in the 1st grade, so I keep everything I can on the fridge, so when she's in the kitchen eating or something like that, all those items are in front of her. So I actually have not seen this fridge clear like this in a while.
Keep slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned
And I typically would use some stainless steel cleaner, but I'm not gonna lie, I did not feel like using that this time. So I just used some Dawn's dish soap and water. And what I did first was just cleaned it just to get all the stains off. And then I went back and just wiped it with the way the grain was going. And it actually turned out really good, and it was still shiny. So I will definitely be doing that when I'm not feeling like using the stainless steel cleaner.
we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. The dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something you never needed? Or was it a flaw? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. The dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding.
You guys, here pretty soon, I'm going to be reupholstering those chairs if I don't find any that I like. I actually put those covers on those chairs myself. I didn't do a video on it because I did it before I started YouTube back up again. But if I do that, I will record it because it's pretty simple in how I did it. It's just time for it to get reupholstered, just because some of the tacking is coming off the sides of it.
You can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night.
It was too tall for my little cake thing, so I couldn't use it in there.
And they got the top down on our way, yeah. We're on our way, yeah. that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah, we're on our way.
And like I said earlier, I'm using a lot of the same stuff I had from last year and just kind of switching where I use it. So I'm putting some pine cones, some little acorns, and some little small pumpkins that I got from Home Goods, I believe, last year. So I'm just kind of putting that into like my little cake dish, just to give it a different look back there. You guys, I love that tray on the stove. A lot of times when people come over to our house, they actually are wondering where our stove is. So I love that thing. And if you guys have not seen that video, you guys can check that out. It's in my playlist below.
If you're feeling a vibe, we ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it.
And also I want to find a wreath to put above the stove. So when I do my tablescape, and if I've gotten one by then, I will show you guys that. So I'm going to look out for that right now because I do want to put a fall wreath up there. I think it'll look really cute. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. You guys know they're having their 40% off sale right now for all the fall stuff and all their
Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this.
So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. So you guys stay tuned to the very end so you can see the final look. You guys stay tuned for all the videos that I'm going to be putting out going forward. I have probably about 5 or 6 more videos that I'm going to be putting out because I have a couple of rooms that I'm going to decorate. And because I love decorating for fall, I'm going to do my front porch. So you guys stay tuned for all of that. If you guys saw my video last year, I'm probably not going to go as extravagant as I did last year, but I'm still going to decorate the front porch just because I love to decorate. To all my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for rocking with me as always. To all my new subscribers, you guys, welcome to the channel. I am so glad you guys hit that subscribe button. To anybody that is just visiting my channel, I pray that you guys like my content and go ahead and hit that subscribe button also. But until the next video, bye guys.
To you, yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat, I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat, I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside,